I'm a woman.
I'm gay.
What exactly is gender equality? Are they only free to live with discrimination, or they are given same and equal treatment and rights? Gender equality is one of the biggest problems that we are facing in our society until now.
It is the imbalance of the rights that an individual is receiving
Because of his or her gender. Homosexual people are born.
and they all belong to every society. They are doctors,
Teachers, farmers,
firemen,
Policemen,
athletes,
bankers, politicians,
overseas Filipino worker, and engineer.
who help one another.
And in development of our society.
And whether we know it or whether we acknowledge it, they are our neighbors.
our friends, and our families.
Lesbian. Gender.
It's not a thing, it's a human right. She is your voice.
Speak out. Stand out. Be out and be happy. Stop the hate. Stop the stereotyping.
Stop the violence. Stop the discrimination.
We are all human.
We are all
Equal!